How to use Chai AI on website. In this video, I'm going to provide you processes or how you get started in setting up and using the Chai AI web version. So first is you can go ahead and pull up any web browser available on your end, but in this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Head straight to chaiai.com's official website, which is here. Now, you're gonna have to create an account first so that you can start using it. But before that, Chai AI is actually a popular conversational platform and app that allow users to chat and roleplay with a wide variety of artificial intelligence characters. Once you successfully created your account, you will be redirected here. So say for example, you would like to use Chai AI as for stories or for highly immersive, creative, for smart, or something else. For now, let's just choose on something else. You will now then be redirected into a specific type of points that you can use for Chai AI. Because Chai AI is not totally free, but you're gonna have to use it limitedly on a daily basis. Now to use them, just simply choose on the character that you prefer. So for example, this one, click that and you can go ahead and start the conversation. And that's basically it. That is how you use Chai AI on the website.